All right, MSP leaders, if you ever have frustrated clients due to added charges on a bill or maybe just complex billing altogether, we have your back today. We're going to give you 3 tips in under 3 minutes that will make pricing the least of your concerns. So let's dig in. Tip number one is create a simple pricing strategy. Now, we talk about this a lot in the MSP community. Maybe we do per user or per node or some other metric altogether. But at the end of the day, we think that's simple, but we start adding things on that make it a little harder for our clients to mentally calculate how much they're going to pay for our services. If you make it so simple that the client will always understand what they're being charged, you've eliminated one of the biggest challenges in having someone agree to MSP services. And that leads us right into tip number two, bring clarity when prices are going to change, right? And this should be from the beginning. Make sure a client is never surprised by a bill. If we have simple pricing, a lot of times that pricing can stay consistent month over month, but when there's a change, make sure the clients expect that. And this could come from their growth. Maybe they've increased their users, nodes, or whatever metric you're using to calculate your simple pricing, right? It could be a new service that you're adding that they've agreed to, or even inflation increases. If we're really clear upfront on when pricing may be different month over month, we can avoid the frustration around those pricing changes. Now, if we have both of those correct already, we have simple pricing and we're really clear on when prices will change. The last tip is the hard one for a lot of MSPs, and that's to make sure the bill reflects that information. At the end of the day, the bill should specifically align with what the client expects to see. Too often, a client will get a bill and be frustrated because they don't understand why they're being charged the amount they're being charged. Now, this could be because we talk in simple terms, but we don't bill in simple terms, or our price changes have come into play and they haven't had communication around that and are just confused on why a number changed. We can solve those two challenges by a simple plan and clear pricing changes, but we have to make sure the bill matches those expectations. Because at the end of the day, clients should spend their time running their businesses, not deciphering our bills. And too often, MSP bills are set up to be easy to adjust on our end, but maybe hard to understand on the client's end. And we have it backwards, and we're going to create frustration in those situations. And that's it. If you want happy clients in your MSP or any business, I guess, the value of the services you provide has to exceed the price they pay. And whenever we surprise a client with an unexpected charge or confusing bill, we run a high risk of frustration and we degrade the value of the services we provide. So keep your pricing structure very simple, be really clear on when pricing adjustments should occur, and make sure those bills match expectations, and you'll be on your way to happy clients with tons of referrals. I'm Jim Peterson, Principal Solution Advisor at ConnectWise, and I'm here to help, so hit me up. Now go get after it and be awesome, and thanks for watching.